So today I'll be showing you how to recover a deleted Instagram post. So when you delete Instagram posts, they're gonna go into some kind of trash can for 30 days, within which you can actually go ahead and recover. So just tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That opens your profile page. Tap on the three dot button in the top right corner, the three line button, this one right here. So tap on that and that should open settings and activity. So you want to go and look for your activity, tap on that, and then under that you should see recently deleted, and this is where all your recently deleted posts are. So we have posts here and reels here. So just normal posts. For this one is just recently deleted, so you can see I have 30 days before it gets permanently deleted. So what you want to do is tap on it. You can see it clearly, and then you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on restore, or you can just directly tap on the restore button at the top right corner. So once you tap on the restore button and then refresh, let's tap on the three dots and tap on restore from here. So it's going to ask you if you want to restore post. Tap on restore and that post is going to get restored. Okay, so you can now go back to your profile. Beg your pardon. So back on the profile page, you can see the post is restored exactly where it was before you deleted it. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.